Mic on. This Bowman suit's going to want to fly bad. You might want to give the heads up on that one. Star 12 H40 also, this Bowman suit is going to want to fly quite a bit once we start lowering it down, so just be ready for that.
Copy that.
One last thing. Ask him if anything has changed condition-wise since we left. About the same? Perfect. What's that? Ask him? Yeah. Star 12 H40, just confirm the wind conditions are the same when you got in there?
Copy that.
No. No, that was a question. Are they still the same?
Wind is the same.
Okay. Outstanding. Thank you. I don't have them. I got the area, but... Okay. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to snug right up against there and then try and go straight in so we don't have to do any maneuvering. Copy that. Left to right. I got it. Okay. I'm moving around a little bit. Little updraft is going to take us right up to him. Okay. Now I have him. I can see his pack. His pack is bright orange. And this thing wants to act like a frickin' parachute. It's filling full of air. Come on, baby. I think I'm going to have to wait till we're almost overhead to start lowering it because it'll fly too much. Yeah, I agree. Still have the target? I have the target as well. We'll do that same thing, kind of snug up inside that little, whatever that is. After that, and come straight in on them. I'm going to lower this a little bit, see how it acts. Yeah, it's going good. Got lowering it a little bit. Okay, you're right on target. About 150 yards, actually. Nice purple. Yeah. And you're on target. Hold on a second, we got wind now. Okay. Yeah. Alright. A little bit of wind. Okay, we're going to slide left 20 and forward 10. Left 20 still and forward 5. 4, hold your forward. And keep coming left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and I'm going to have to come further left because the wind is pulling it away. Keep coming left. And hold your left. And he has it. Hold your hover. And he's disconnecting. And we're disconnected, bringing the hook up. And you're clear for forward flight. Slide right. Perfect. I think that was piss-poor pilot technique to give us a whole burger there. It's all good. Hook is stowed. Do that same old traffic pattern we did last time, so hopefully it's good to go. Copy that. He was pretty quick with it last time, so it was.
Control Ballpark. H40, Rescue 12.
Go ahead, H40.
I'm ready with the second patient.
Exact same spot as last time. He said he's ready to go? Yep. Copy, you're ready to go. Coming in. And he's quick. I like it. What's the temp here, Bill? Now it's 53. It's 54 right where they're at up against the rocks. Actually feels cold. Feels good. You'll wish you were back here when we get back to Fresno. I do not have, oh, I got him. I forgot to look at the payout on the table. That's me moving. What's that? I was moving around. Just gonna let the hook out a bit. This is where we got that little updraft last time. So yep. I prefer up rather than down. Same spot right there. Yep. Start paying out some cable here. Yep. Slide left. We're on target. Keep coming forward. Down left. Alright, we're on target. Forward. 5-0. 4-0. You have the target. I have the target. 3-0. Forward 2-0. Forward 1-0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me a second. Don't get it going. Okay. When you're ready, slide left. Okay, slide left. And hold your left. And he has the hook. Hold your hover. Connected to the victim. We're connected. Taking slack out. Taking slack out and hold your left if you can, and come right with touch. Slack is out, you ready to lift? Yes, coming up. Coming up. Coming up, loads off the ground. Okay, pound full, really good, you clear the hoist. Clear the hoist, coming up. Looking good under the aircraft. Alright. And he's almost to the skid. And I'm slowing. Grab the skid, dude. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna get him all the way over behind me. Yep, I'm gonna disconnect him from the hook.
All right.
And safety.
Control Ballpark is clearing your 21.
Safety's on. He is disconnected and I've got the hook. Safety's on. His safety's on, yes. Alright. I need you to come back 10. I'm lowering the hook. And hold your back and slide right. Slide right? Slide right. Slide right 10. And back a couple. Hold your right and keep coming back just a touch. Slide right. 5, 4, 3. Keep coming right. And he's just about got the hook. The sway is taking it away from him. And keep coming right. And back just a touch. The sway is taking it away from him. Keep coming right. He has the hook. Alright, gonna give him a little more slack. And right, just a couple velvet. Keep wanting to pull us to the mountain. He's connected. Slack is out. You're clear lift. Coming up. And he is off the ground. He's coming up. Looking good. Go
off the ground and looking good.
The winds have shifted. Yeah.
10 feet under the aircraft. If you got a good sway, I'm going to stop hoisting because it's going to feel a tank. Okay, we're going to have to check that when we get back. And he is up to the skid. Up to the skid step. Get his retention strap. Let me find something to hook him to. Okay. He's coming in the aircraft, and where's the forward flight?
Retention's on?
Yep, his retention's on.
We're out of here.
We're out of here. Alright, this cable came all the way forward.
Stop recording.
You turn it off?